what you think there?
Where you say you think there?
Yeah, what you?
He said. Hey YouTube, what go on? You know what I'm saying? I decided to make that video because I have a little cousin. Man, really say, I tell a little boy now, say my groom here. Tell a little boy if he come for money so he can get a trim. And him, about 2 weeks now, I tell him. To live at 2 different yards, so I tell him to check me so he can give the money so he can get a trim. So he can look like a nice little schoolboy again. And the little boy now want trim. So guess what go on? Just done shave my face a while ago and realize that I don't need to give him the money if he go trim. Not you. You can't trim him. So that me I go do. Watch it. You give him a proper haircut, cause man for here, man. And I want to tell him little boy nowadays. Everybody want on big man. Get your reverser. Yeah man, there's a haircut me I go run and give him right now. Hope him run at the yard, cause I'm rude sometimes I'm gone all about the place. Now staying at the yard, him granny can't talk to him and him here. You see me? So, nicely good trim. And by the way, this is not child abuse here. This is not child abuse. This is just me, I trim my little cousin. Yeah, brother. So when you don't comment and say child abuse, and child abuse, me not abuse him, I just trim him because I don't want to go barber go trim. So sometimes so going if you can't go for the service come to you, you know, you see me? Exclusively. Yeah, I pull up at the gate and now I reach. You see me? Me reach and now I'm gonna look if me see the youth. Like him not even at the yard. When go hide? Yeah man, at the yard me I go and I go look if me see him. Richie!
You have to tell when we done the map of that line.
Richie there?
You get up on your road, my brother.
See it, him not even at the yard. His granny say him gone on the road. Telling some another room I walk in up man. That room so funky. Go out the road, go look me see. I look at man, just tell me which part him there. So I go up that lane, way up now and lane him there. Alright. See the lane. Yeah. I'm gone. Which part? Where out the road? Alright. See it? Go up now lane, people don't look about I tell me say, them not see me in the lane. Where the little boy again? Just serious about him there. Up on 1 yard up so. So see? Remember when I was small, I when I stay on the yard. Just see him thing I look about yard. Man not like him yard as they light. He go out of the yard and gone. Gone at people yard. People are sending a shop. All them things. So I go and tell him say. Them say him up there so. So how your head looks? So look like I look Rasta man. See you don't trim. Just come to our man and we give him money to go trim. About 2 weeks now. Every time I come in the yard, I say look what I remember. So I tell him not come for the money. After last time I remind him I'm not come. Hey Richie, come here! Come here! Me find him. And last time I tell him, look on him head. I want like a bad boy. See him head? Head want trim. You see me? I tell him, I'm going to trim him today. He got joke thing. No. Yeah man, I'm going to trim him. So guess what going on now people? You have to come for your money now for trimming up, I guess what? So in here I go stay if you not come. Alright, go on back go play now. You come for money for trim or you go play? Which one me I do? Eh? One trim now. Alright. Yeah man, nice. Good still. Ready for your trim now, not you? Yeah man, you're going to make your barber shiny, come. Yeah man, I know say me that trim, but I don't have time to trim, so trim out a local palm. So the barber gonna give me a discount like how I trim out part of it for him. Ready for trim now, boss, eh?
Yeah, man.
Ready for your trim? Alright, stay YouTube.
YouTube thing there.
Where you say you think there?
YouTube.
Yeah. I train too. But tell him last time, so I can look for me if you don't come for money for trim, you know. Yeah, man. So I come now, I'm not feeling nothing, but I'm ready for get a barber now. Where say, you ready for get a barber? Eh? Ready for go trim?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yo, me and love him, man, I see you cool down, eh? Ah, my boy, good. Barber shop. Next stop, barber shop, see? Well, I don't want my camera to jump off first. Barber shop. Here we are going to do. We're going to trim and bring the change, come and give me the shop here. But what is every trim? About 3 bills? You have change. So people, change let's every trim it. We're going to go trim. So let's every trim it, let's bring it down with match back with that, yeah? Nice schoolboy trim for guys school. One day man. Big up yourself. Look at me.